Hi guys, I'm so excited today because I'm here to announce yet another fab collection by Fast Track. And this time we're bringing back some classy ruffles and frills to go with all your fab outfits. The all-new Ruffles collection co-designed by yours truly, Ananya Pandey. We're also dropping the perfect challenge for the season with my stylist and friend Tanya. Alright, it's time to ruffle up a few feathers now. This is gonna be a lot of fun. Hi Tanya!
Hey Ananya!
Oh my god, it's been so long since I've seen you. How have you been?
I'm doing very well and it's so nice to see you. It's been a long time.
So I have news for you. I have a brand new collection called Ruffles and an epic challenge for you. I will randomly pick up a chit from this bowl which has an occasion written on it, and we will have to put together an outfit using the Ruffles accessories in under 60 seconds, okay? So let's go. Funky meets festive. Okay, that sounds super fun. So let's go. So here it is. This is my festive yet funky look and I love it. I made sure that my Ruffles accessories are the heroes of this look. That's why I chose this beautiful midnight blue bag with this matching watch, and I love how they go with these orangish reddish tones, and I feel like this outfit describes my personality perfectly because it's casual but it's also glamorous at the same time.
I love it, Ananya.
Oh my god, Tanya, that outfit goes so well with the watch.
You know me, I love my pastel shades. So I love this bag from the Ruffle collection. I love the texture on it. And I feel like the pastel beige watch goes perfectly with my outfit. It's such a cool chic day look.
So what's next? Let's see. Best friends brunch. This is going to be super fun, okay? Let's go. So this is it. Here's my outfit for my BFF's brunch, and I love this bag. I actually centered my entire look around it. I feel like it stands for the Ruffles collection perfectly. It's classy and it's super beautiful. And I think brunch looks are all about baby pink colors, pastel colors, neutral colors. So I think it's a perfect brunch look, and obviously I have a matching Ruffles watch. So this is my look. Do you like it?
This look is super cute, Ananya. I totally crush on this.
I get that all the time, Tanya. But I love your look. It's so effortless, Tanya.
I love my look too, actually. I think it's perfect for a brunch. It's like so chic. I love oversized blazers. And the best part is the way these accessories perfectly complete the look. I love this little bag from this backpack from the Ruffles collection. And you know, I mean, look at this amazing leather strap watch. It's so comfortable. I love the big dial. I love this entire collection, Ananya. It's so you.
This was super fun, guys. Give it up for Tanya for doing a fabulous job at the Ruffle It Up challenge.
So all of you girls who are trying to look for something that's super elegant and super fun, get your hands on the Ruffles collection by Fast Track. Thank you Fast Track team. Lots of love.
So show us your styling skills by curating some of the best Ruffles look using watches, bags and more from the Ruffles collection. And get ready to ruffle it up in 60 seconds. And upload it with a hashtag Ruffle It Up picture tagging Fast Track World. Come on guys, let's ruffle it up.